Imagine you're comparing results from 3 different reports. One report says a task is 1/4 finished. Another says it's 0.25 complete. A third says it's 25% done. The numbers look different, but they're all describing the same situation. Your job is to recognize when different numbers represent the same value. This is exactly what converting between fractions, decimals, and percents means. A fraction, a decimal, and a percent are 3 ways of describing the same quantity. Converting between them means rewriting the value without changing its size. Let's start with a simple example. The fraction 1/2. If you divide the numerator by the denominator, 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. That gives the decimal form. Now convert that decimal to a percent. To convert any decimal to a percent, we just multiply it by 100. 0.5 times 100 is 50. So 1/2, 0.5, and 50% all represent the same amount. If you look at those numbers, you might already see the connection. Half of something is the same as 50%. When the numbers are familiar, conversion feels almost automatic. Now let's try one that isn't quite as obvious. 3/4. Let's start with finding the decimal from this fraction. Divide 3 by 4. 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. That's the decimal. Now, multiply it by 100. 0.75 times 100 is 75, or 75%. So 3/4 is the same as 0.75 and 75%. You might not have seen that instantly, but once you followed the steps, the relationship became clear. Sometimes it helps to check the value another way. 75% means 75 out of 100. If we write that as a fraction, it's 75/100. We can simplify this fraction by dividing both numbers by 25, which gives us 3/4. The value stayed the same the entire time. Now let's reverse the process. Suppose you start with a percent. 40%. Percent means out of 100. So 40% as a fraction is 40/100. As a decimal, that's 40 divided by 100, which is 0.4. We can simplify the fraction 40/100 even further by dividing both numbers by 20, which gives us 2/5. Again, nothing about the amount changed, only the way it was written. Let's go through a few more examples together. First example, 1/5. 1 divided by 5 is 0.2. That's our decimal. 0.2 times 100 is 20%. That's our percentage. 1/5, 0.2, and 20% are all the same amount. Second example, 0.6. As a percentage, 0.6 times 100 is 60%. As a fraction, 60% is 60 over 100, which simplifies to 3 over 5 if we divide the numerator and the denominator by 20. 0.6, 60%, 60 over 100, and 3 over 5 are all the same amount. In every case, the process is the same. Divide to move from fraction to decimal. Multiply by 100 to move from decimal to percent. Reverse those steps to move back again. The numbers change form, but the value stays fixed. So here's the key idea to remember. Fractions, decimals, and percents are not different amounts. They're different ways of writing the same value. Converting between them isn't about memorizing tricks. It's about preserving the quantity while changing the representation. When you understand that relationship, conversions become logical and predictable instead of confusing.